In this video, I'll guide you through how to change your Gmail profile picture. We'll go step by step, and by the end, you'll know exactly where to click and what to do so your new photo shows up across your Google account, including in Gmail. First, go ahead and open Gmail. You can do this by typing the Gmail web address into your browser or by opening it from your bookmarks or app launcher. Make sure you're signed in to the correct Google account, especially if you use more than one. You can quickly check that by looking in the top right corner of the Gmail page. Once Gmail is open, look at that top right corner and find your current profile icon. This might be a photo you've already set, or if you've never changed it before, it could just be a colored circle with your initials. Click directly on that profile icon. When you do, a small panel will drop down, showing your account details and possibly other accounts you've signed into. In that panel, you'll see an option that says Manage your Google account. Go ahead and click on that. This will open a new page or tab that takes you to your main Google account settings. Don't worry if the layout looks a bit different depending on updates. What we're looking for is the section that controls your personal details. On the Google account page, look toward the top or along the left side for a tab or menu item labeled Personal Info. Click on Personal Info. This is where you can control things like your name, birthday, and of course your profile photo. On the Personal Info page, you should see a section for your profile picture. It might show your existing photo or your initials. Click on that image area. This will open a prompt that lets you change or add a photo. Now it's time to upload a new profile picture. You'll usually see options to upload a photo from your computer or device, or sometimes to choose from photos you've already saved in your Google Photos. If you're uploading from your computer, click the option to upload, then browse to the image file you want to use, select it and confirm. Once the image is uploaded, you'll usually get a chance to adjust it. You can drag the image around inside the frame and zoom in or out so that your face or the important part of the image is centered and clearly visible. Take a moment here to make sure it looks the way you want, since this image will appear in Gmail, Google Drive, and other Google services. When you're happy with how it looks, click the button to save or set the profile picture. The change may not show up everywhere instantly, so give it a minute or two. You can switch back to your Gmail tab and refresh the page to see your new profile picture appear in the top right corner. That's all there is to it. You've opened Gmail, clicked your profile icon, gone into Manage your Google account, selected Personal Info, and uploaded a new profile picture. Now your Gmail looks a bit more personal and up to date.